All right, I have a Z-score problem here. It says the number of wins the Texas Rangers for the life of the club is approximately normal with a mean of 78. They're not very good. With a standard deviation of 9.7. The number of wins for the LA Dodgers, which is one of the probably the most successful teams in baseball, not the, but one of them, is also approximately normal, but they have a mean of 86.3 wins with the standard deviation of 5.8 wins. If the Rangers win 85 games and the Dodgers won 90, who did better relative to their history? The Dodgers did better than the Rangers, but what about relative to their history? All right, so the Rangers mean and average in the games won that year are those. And then I like to do something to separate these just so I don't get the numbers mixed up. Also, this time I put them in order. Sometimes they switch the order of stuff around and it kind of makes it confusing. So I'm going to find the Z-score for Texas and for LA. So for Texas, the Z-score is equal to, they won 85 games this year. Their mean was 78.2 and the standard deviation of 9.7. The Dodgers won 90 games. Their mean is 86.3 with a standard deviation of 5.8. We get the Z-score for both of them. And then again, the Dodgers had a better season, but who had a better season relative to the history of their clubs? And we get that the Rangers had a Z-score of 0.701, round that to 0.7, that's fine on that one. And then 90 minus 68.3 divided by 5.8. And the Dodgers had a Z-score of 0.3638. So the Rangers had a higher Z-score. So the answer to this, and I'm going to write this, it said the Rangers had a better year relative, and I'm just kind of writing this here, relative to their history because of a larger Z-score. And if you want to say because the Z-score 0.71 is greater than 0.638, that is perfectly fine, but it really doesn't matter. You just need to answer the question. All right, so there's the Z-score review question.